Hi, my name is Henrik Hylgaard. I'm the manager of the brand direction agency here in Denmark called Hotel Creativity, which is also the title of my upcoming book, Hotel Creativity, Check In and Change the Destiny of Your Company. Well, my favorite disruptive hero is not a person, because, you know, I'm a brand guy. And I think in this turbulent world, with so many changes so fast, you need a very dynamic corporate culture to cope with these changes, to manage to come up with new ideas, more value, at a very high speed. And the ones that come to my mind is, of course, the big brands that we all know of, like Apple, Google, Nike, but also like European fashion brands like Diesel Jeans and H&M. Of course, I can mention some of the CEOs or people behind the brands, but actually I see the corporate culture, the dynamic creative culture, as key to doing value innovation and disruptive changes in this world. My favorite disruptive change at the moment are for sure Spotify. First, because it allows me to grab whatever kind of music I want instantly without paying more than a small fee every month. So, and secondly, because it's this brand has managed to disrupt the world's most dynamic and creative brands, Apple and iTunes. So this also symbolizes, you know, the speed of change in our society. You know, you have this. I call them startup knockouts. You have this startup Spotify who disrupts the world's most acknowledged company when it comes to disrupting. The disruptive change that I'm struggling with at the moment is the mission that me and my company is on, making the corporate world understand that business creativity and what I call market empathy is the new important corporate competencies in this world. This is the engine and the tools and the necessary competences to constantly be disrupting, going for more customer value, trying to make the conservative best practice business as usual, left brain, fear-oriented corporate world understand that they need market empathy and business creativity to cope in this fast-changing world. What is very underestimated is the competencies and the personal competencies and the culture behind doing disruptive changes. You need to be able to empathize with the market. You can't just, do surveys and ask the big questions like what do you want, how do you want it, when do you want it. You simply need to build the ability to put yourself in the place of the customers, put yourself in the place of the market, and then be able to get what creativity is all about, combining old stuff into new things, bringing more value to the customers. To me, business creativity and disruption is the same thing.